Okay, take a look at these two equations. They're slightly different in that this square root here only covers the a. This square root, this cube root here, sorry, it covers both a and b. You've got to make a the subject. To do this, remember these two are two separate things. So visualize this as one block plus this block equals this block. Let me do the one on the left hand side first. So because you're trying to make a the subject and a is stuck in here, let's get rid of the b. So take away b from both sides. So it will be this equals 3c squared minus b. Okay. Now visualize it as this. You've got one whole bubble here. Now you're going to times by both sides by itself. 3 times. Okay, so on this side you're only going to have a. Okay, on this side you're going to have that bubble here. Sorry, this bubble here, and then times by itself 3 times. So what you really have is, remember, this is 3c squared minus b in here, 3c squared minus b, 3c squared minus b. So what you have is this. To the power of 3. So a equals whatever it is to the power of 3. Okay. So here when you see the cube root of something, cube it, meaning times get it and times it by itself 3 times. And over here, get this thing and times by itself 3 times. Okay. Now on this side, you can visualize it. You can visualize it like this. You've got 3c squared over here that exists in the bubble, and this thing here, blah 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 in here. So at the moment you've got this. Okay, you've got this side equaling this side. So what you do, you times by itself 3 times. So over here, you times by itself 3 times. So blah 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 in here, 3 root blah 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 in here. Okay, and then over here you're timesing itself 3 times. So it's like this: 3c squared. Now this thing here, so visualize it as this. When you cube both sides here, all you're going to have is what's inside the bubble, which is a plus b. And on the right hand side, you're going to have this down here, 3 things multiplying each other. So get all the 3's multiply with each other. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again, 20 equals 27. Now c squared times c squared is c to the power of 4, and then times c squared again will be c to the power of 6. Okay. Now visualize as this block plus this block equals this block here. So take away b from both sides so that a could stand on its own. So it will be this. Take away b. Okay. So now you're done. Okay. So these two they're slightly different. Okay. Now it's your turn to have a go. All right. Hang on. So here, make x the subject. Okay. So the two separate things now. So over here, well, do what you have to do. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so here visualize as this. You've got one block here. Take away this block equals this block here. You're trying to make x a subject. X is stuck in here. So get rid of this rubbish here. So add 4a squared to both sides. Hang on. 3 root blah 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 equals 2c squared plus 4a squared. Okay, and now visualize it as this. This is one whole thing now. You're going to times by itself 3 times. So you're going to cube both sides. So on the left hand side you're going to have this. On the right hand side you're going to have this. Plus 4a squared to the power of 3. Okay. We can just leave it to the power of 3. We don't need to multiply it out. So now you've got this bubble multiplying this bubble here. So divide both sides by 2. So this will be x, and this will be 2. Hang on, squared plus 4a squared all to the power 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this would be your answer. Now, on the right hand side, you're trying to make x a subject. Okay. Oh, hang on. Yeah. So this would be this. Hang on. Hang on. This would be this. Visualize it as this. You've got a bubble here. Okay. Now, inside your mind, you're trying to break up this cube root. So times by itself 3 times. So basically cube it 3 times. So cube both sides 3 times. So get itself times by itself 3 times. So it would be this: 2x minus 4 squared minus 4a squared. So all that's left is what's in the bubble. Okay. On the right hand side, remember, it's this. It's this times by itself 3 times, because you're cubing it. Remember, it will be 2 this. Okay, so get all the 2's and multiply them together. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2 again equals 8. Equals 8, and then c squared times c squared times c squared, c to the power 6. Okay. On this side, it's just this. Because we're not doing anything, we're just tidying up the 3 bubbles here. We're not actually doing anything, we're not adding anything, we're not taking away anything, we're just tidying it up here. Okay, now, so now we are trying to make x a subject. Visualize as this, take away this block equals this block here. So add this block to both sides. So it will be 2x over here, and it will be 8c to the power 6 minus 4a squared. Now divide both sides by 2. So it will be this: 4a squared over 2, and this will be x. Okay. So the answer to the right hand side is this, and the left hand side is this. Okay.